Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Intelli-Machines. In this video, we will talk about comments and what are the uses of comments. We will see what are the multiple line comments and what is single line comment and how can we hide and view back the multiple line comments. But before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel because it's only the way you can get notifications of our upcoming videos. And please make sure you watch the entire series in sequence so you can get better understanding of the course. Comments are really useful, especially if you are coding something big. By reading comments, you can quickly see what you coded before, instead of reading all the code itself. Now you might be thinking about that where should you add comments in your coding. The simple answer is it's up to you that where you want to add your comment. You can add comments just before writing any code, or even you can add comments before coding everything. So it's up to you that where you want to add comments in your coding, either before or after your code, but it is strongly recommended that be consistent with whatever method you choose, otherwise you may create mess around your working. So there is one thing that you can say about comments, that comments make your life easier, especially if you want to find and edit something in a big code. Now we have two type of comments, one is single line comment and other is multiple line comment. In most of the cases we use single line comment, but there might be cases when we require to use multiple lines as a comment. Now first we will look at that how can we write single line comment. To write a single line comment you have to put hash symbol just before your text. As soon as you write hash symbol, it will convert your text into a comment. Please look at this live example on your screen. Let's say I want to write a big code and I want to label my first few lines with a comment, and in my first few lines I am going to write some variables. And because I know that I am going to write some variables in my first few lines, so that's why I am going to write a comment something like following are the comments. You can write anything just to recall it later so that you can quickly jump over here if you need to edit something in your code. After writing the comment, I am going to write my first variable a is equal to welcome and b is equal to Intelli-Machines. Now before printing them, I want to merge them. So as an example, I am going to write another comment here. My comment can be anything like following is the merger of variable a and b. In order to merge them, I will write print a plus b, and here I will add a space between both of them. If you have any problem with understanding this command, then you must have to watch our previous video. Clicking over play button here will execute our command, and in the output section you can only see the merger of variable a and b but not any comment. So that's mean comments do not appear when you execute the code. So in order to facilitate yourself, you can add as much as comments you want. This is all about single line comments. Now let's talk about multiple line comments. Sometime in coding we may require to include multiple line comments for any reason. We may include multiple line comments in two different ways. The first one is you can add hashtag in front of each line to make them a comment, and secondly we can write it in a triple quotation mark. Let's see it with a demonstration. On your screen you can see I have pre-written 3 lines on my notepad just to save your time. Let's say it's the statement that I want to use as a comment. Then I will simply copy it and I will paste it within the triple quotation mark. By pasting the statement within the triple quotation mark, the statement will become a comment. And what will happen if we paste it without having a triple quotation mark? Let's see it. Here I am going to paste the same statement in the new line. Now you can see it is showing a red underline error message. Here you can also use a hash symbol in front of each line to make them a comment. But this method can be time wasting and hectic. If you have planned to write multi-line statements, then I will recommend you to use triple quotation mark to write multi-line statements in order to save your time. Here is the bonus tip. You can hide multiple line comments by clicking here in order to keep focus on your word. And in order to show it back, you can click here on this plus sign. In this way you can hide and view back the multiple line comments in your code. So that's all about single line and multiple line comments. And if you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your friends and social groups, and don't forget to subscribe our channel now if you want to get updates of our new videos.